Cash App, SBA, PPP loan, Capital Plus, Bank of America. All these updates we're gonna go over. We're also gonna be talking about Chime Bank. So we got a lot to cover in this video. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video. All that good stuff, right? PPP loan, SBA loan, Womply / Harvest. We're gonna talk about Cash App, Capital Bank. We're also gonna be talking about Bank of America. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. So let's get right into this. At any time, if you guys feel like you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions and concerns below. As you guys know, I have financial institutions who actually watch my content, whether it's Chime Bank, Bank of America, Chase, Huntington, every bank basically. A lot of banks watch my content, so that is the best way for you guys to be updated with the latest and greatest information. Let's get right into this because a lot of people have been asking me about Bank of America updates, but this is somewhat of an update for Bank of America, but then it's also a of course, the Womply and the Harvest. Now, before we begin, I do want to let you guys know I am doing a giveaway, and the best way to be entered in that giveaway is liking and subscribe, because towards the end of this month, I will be giving out the details of how to be entered as far as if you guys got to do anything extra. But for the most part, just make sure you like this video and make sure you are subscribed. Now, before we get into this, I will talk about Chime. Chime is sponsoring this video, so if you guys want to download Chime at any time in this video, feel free to go to the comment section. I will actually pin that link there. And with the Chime, you actually receive $75. You will receive a banking account, savings account, a checking account, and a credit builder account, meaning you will actually build your credit. It's a secured line, so you actually build your credit spending your own money. It's a win-win situation. Then, as I said, you will actually receive $75 for downloading it, but you have to use my link. And with that being said, let's get right to this because a lot of people was questioning about Bank of America, Cash App, and all that good stuff. So this is actually the question, and hopefully we can get some answers here in the comment section. Now, Womply Harvest email urgent action required on your PPP loan. I received the email below 3 times. I already attached my Cash App business and I have everything green, including funding instructions. If I upload my Bank of America statement, will it screw up the process since all checks are already green? Advice below, or please. They began to say the email is, hi, you recently applied for a PPP loan through PPP Fastlane. In order to complete your verification, we will need additional evidence that you were in business during February 2020. They show you how to actually log in there. PPP Fastlane, Womply, upload your bank statement from February. If you had multiple bank accounts during this time, you may upload multiple statements. Bank statements must include your name as shown on your PPP application. Okay. On the update application page, click on update bank details. They begin to say on the update bank details page, verify a new bank account. Okay, you can either do this manually or instantly, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now a lot of people, it does seem like a lot of people was stuck on this section just due to the fact that they were wanting to verify your bank statement, and also doing that, it actually kept uploading. So, you know, they kept getting an email to upload your bank statements. Now, if you are going through this, feel free to drop the comments and concerns below. That way we can actually see what's going on here. You know, I'm not too sure exactly why, but I am hearing that a lot of people have been going through this multiple times. So multiple times people have been going through this. They say, someone said, I'm in the same boat. I uploaded my bank statement. I think that's what's important. You can upload any statement as long as it's from February 2020. But if you upload any bank statement, won't they try to deposit to that account? They said, no, homie, they are using the bank statement as a reference. Okay, upload it, blah, blah. So they're basically using your bank statement as a reference. That is not going to be the account that they are putting your, you know, that's not the account they're putting your money in. That's just going to be a reference account. Once again, that's a reference account. You know, that's just stating that you have, or you had your business sometime in 2020, you know, February 2020. So they want to make sure you had your business running by February 2020. Someone said, bro, trust me, you just got to be patient. Don't keep re-uploading, because every time you do that, it will prolong your application, especially if all of your check marks are green. So okay, I'm not gonna say okay. Same, I just did it, but I don't know. I got that after all green checks. Just wait it out. If you got all green checks, it's a glitch in the system that sends automatic emails, unless it's a plan to detour you. Because if you do update your information, it'll reset your place, which would put you way behind the June deadline. Just wait it out. So that's another thing we was talking about on the other videos, where it's just kind of sketchy re-verifying, re-uploading things, because that could be a possibility of you actually going behind, you know what I mean, and it actually kind of resets. Now, not stating that it will, not stating that it don't, that's just one of those risks that you may have to take, and you may have to figure out on your own, whether it's that way or not. You know, that's just something you got to figure out. I know a lot of people are like, well, I'm not gonna go through that, I don't care, I'm gonna redo it, but that's just a risk. That is the risk that you guys, you know, you may just have to figure out, figure that out on your own. Someone said, email man signed 531 and keep getting email. My bank is already verified. No, SBA has 20 once approved. Lender has up to 10 days. It's been over 10 days for me SBA approved. When did you sign? 531. So yeah, guys, feel free to drop those comments below. It does look like, a lot of people was receiving that funding part, especially when it came to verifying your bank account. They're stating, based on the comments and people that actually went through it, don't re-verify, because that's going to put you back. If you already did, especially if you already done that a few times, that is just going to set you back. Now, as I always say, everybody is different. I would say after so long, the best thing to do would probably try to contact them. But as we said, you don't want to prolong it any way that we can. If there is a glitch, and it really does suck that this stuff is going on. We shouldn't have to, constantly re-verify this, constantly re-verify that. It does suck, and anybody that's going through that, I wish everybody just have patience, and also I wish, nobody had to go through it, especially with the systems and stuff like that. But yeah, you guys drop the comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys are at. If you guys want to, I got a playlist on my channel. Feel free to go to those playlists. PPP, SBA, all that good stuff. Feel free to do that. I will keep you guys updated with the latest and greatest information. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Capital Plus, SBA, PPP. This is your latest and greatest information. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. I am here to drop some knowledge on you guys. Also, I'm going to keep you guys updated. If you guys got questions at any time in this video, feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. I will try my best to help you guys, just as well as other financial institutions. Let's get right to this. All right, guys, so let's get right into this. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. I'm here to provide all of your latest and your greatest information. Of course, I keep you guys updated every single day, sometimes 3 to 4 times a day at the minimum. So yeah, let's get right into this. This was a member of my channel. They began to say, just received my Capital Plus promissory note. For everyone that has been waiting, hope is near. So at this point, guys, I want to ask you guys, have you guys received your promissory note? What level or what stage are you guys at right now? I know, but that being said, as I always say, drop those comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. They begin to say, hope is near. I just got the email with the promissory note. Also, for people saying Capital Plus is not with Womply, well, they all wrong. Capital Plus listed on the promissory note. So it does look like Womply and Capital Plus are together. I know before a lot of people were saying Capital Plus is not linked with Womply. Womply, was BLUEACORNS or whatever, or another type of lender. But this person says Capital Plus and Womply, they are linked together. They also begin to say as well that they're linked together. So I want to keep everybody updated on that. I know people was questioning that, and that looks like to be the answer. Somebody said, yep, been SBA approved, waiting on promissory note for a minute, and you are right. Waiting sucks for real. I just hope I'm near just like you. So with that being said, we all just wish everything basically goes in the right direction. Somebody said I've been waiting since April. I had the bank statement problem. I send them the bank statement. They send me DocuSign, did it 5/21. I am still waiting. Somebody began to say I've been waiting since May 21st, which to be honest, guys, if you guys been waiting since May, I don't know if that's going to be good or bad, but I do know as I'm reading these comments, people have been waiting since April. There's been a lot of people that's been waiting since a different type of bank, but in different positions as well. Somebody said it's happening. Somebody said it is. Now I wonder how long to get funded. Somebody said hope mine's come. I've been approved since 5/17. Should have come soon. Same here. Hopefully we see something. Keep me updated. I'll do the same. Have you read your loan documents? It is still the same lender, and do it still read first draw, because mine switched to second, and I signed mine 5/20. My lender disappeared, and so did their loan documents. Same lender, first draw. So yeah, man, I'm just happy I could give you guys these updates. Oh, somebody else said thanks for the update. They was approved 5/23.